Hi, I'm Grace and this is my channel Kawaii. Today I'm going to show you how I created this butterfly winged liner look that you see on me right now. I'm really happy with how it turned out, but I think I should just go ahead and show you how I did it. See you on the flip side! Hi, so I've probably already mentioned it already, but in this video I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to be doing a butterfly winged liner look, and I'm just gonna shut up and get on with it. Okay, so I said I was gonna shut up, but I am gonna tell you just like a outline of what I'm gonna do. The first part I'm gonna be putting foundation on. I've already primed, put concealer on and done my eyebrows, but that's just to save time because I take a while. So I'm going to put foundation on, set it, then contour, and then I'm going to move on with the winged eyeliner look. And yeah, just stay tuned and see what I'm doing. Hi guys, I decided to do a voiceover just so that I could explain what I'm doing and make it as clear as possible. So this is it. Oh, and if I sound like I have a cold, it's because I do. So here I am applying my foundation. I like to use a brush so that I can blend the foundation into my skin to make it look as natural as possible. I do use quite a heavy coverage foundation as I have things I want to hide. After I finish using my foundation brush, I then go in with a smaller brush to correct anything that is still visible through the foundation. I then mist my face and I use a beauty blender just to blend out the foundation and make sure everything is smooth and nice. You can see me here using a brush at the fronts of my eyebrows to blend out any harsh lines that were created when I drew them on. I just like to do this because it gives my eyebrows a very fluffy look to it and it's just something I like. I then apply a skin tone powder with my fluffy brush just to make sure that my foundation is set. Here I've completely forgotten what I've been doing and start contemplating my life. I soon remember that I need to use setting powder to put on my face to create some sort of like definition, because I have very round face and I want to make it look less round. So by using the setting powder as almost a highlight, and also by me contouring, that adds a lot of definition back to my face. Because especially after adding foundation flattened your face, so highlighting in this way and using contour will bring the definition back. Wow. Editing really does show you all the weird faces you make while you're doing your makeup. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that there. I also like to contour my nose, as I feel like adding definition to it really helps when I'm taking photographs and it just makes me look prettier, okay? So this is the base that I'm working with. This would typically be like an everyday base that I then choose what to do. Like if I'm doing a more glam look, I can bump it up, but I tend not to. It is quite a lot, but I'm extra, so. But yeah, I'm now going to just add a little bit of highlight to my cheeks, and then I will start on the eyeliner look, sorry. And yeah, let's just continue. I'm going to be starting the eyeliner portion of this video, and for the eyeshadow base that's going to be on my eyes, I'm going to do like a blue look, and I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, and it's a really good palette. I've had it for a while, didn't really use it, but it's got nice colours in it, so I'm going to use it today. But yeah, let's get started. Actually, before I start putting the eyeshadow on, I'm actually going to outline what I want where with a white eyeliner pencil. This is just that I can get things like as symmetrical as possible and how I want it, really. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Once I'm done with the outline for my eyeshadow, I then go in with the darkest shade on the outer corners of my eye. I like to pack it in a bit and then use a fluffy brush to blend out the edges just so that it's a bit smooth and not harsh at all. I repeat my process on the other eye, and then I go in with a lighter shade on the inner corners of my eye just to make it pop and brighten my eye a bit. Again, I like to use my fluffy brush just to make sure that everything is even and blended out and there's no harsh lines between each shade. But yeah, I then start drawing a faint outline of where I want my lines to be on my eyeliner look, and that's what you see me doing here. I'm creating an outline for my butterfly wings. I'm using a black liquid eyeliner, but I've just decided to use a smaller brush just so that it's precise and everything goes where I want it to. Here you're gonna get up close and personal with my face. I am trying to show you the detailing that I'm doing on the lower wings. I have just drawn a line down the center of them, and now I'm starting to draw the detailing on the larger wings. I'm just going to hop in here with a little bit of a tip. If you ever get eyeshadow fallout, what you want to do is get a fluffy brush and use it and flick upwards on the fallout. This will lift it up and flick it off. Just never drag downwards, because then you'll just stain your face with the eyeshadow. I mixed a shade of blue with some regular face paints, and I'm just going in over the top of my eyeshadow just to give like a highlight. This added like a 3D-ish effect to my look, and I really liked how it turned out. I went in to correct some mistakes that I made when I was highlighting. Yeah, and I just kept making mistakes, but it's fine. This is my first time doing something like this, so it's a learning curve. After I correct my mistakes, I then went in with the black liquid liner again and just put it along the top of my lash line just to give a bit more depth and make my eyes pop a bit more. Wow, look how pretty. I like doing these side to side shots of my face. It's weird, but I do it. But yeah, I'm just creating a longer inner corner of my eye, if that makes sense. Like I draw a little triangle just to lengthen it. It gives like a cat eye look. It looks cool. I like it. I do it a lot. But yeah, I'm doing that and then also adding a bit of the black liquid liner underneath my lash line. This is just to like make everything blend together and add a little bit of darkness because I feel like it makes my eye pop. I decided to draw some stars on my face just because I like them. I then did them on the other side just to add like a little bit of symmetry, even though I do know I am not symmetrical. But yeah, I do like making things look unified. After I've attempted to perfect everything that I've done, I then got a white liner and just added some highlights in the center of the stars, and then I also did that on the butterfly wings, which you'll see in a minute. But this added a boost to my look. I think that it just elevated it. It looked really pretty, even though if I did do this look again, I would leave out the dot that I did in between the last one and the one in the middle. Yeah, because it just looks out of place. Like, there's not enough black around it for it to sit. This dot I didn't like, but it's okay. I did it. And I felt the look itself looked nice, so I was just gonna leave it. I couldn't be bothered deleting it. So after I finished my look and finished doing my side to side head turn that I keep doing, I then prep my eyelashes to put on. These ones are really cute because they've got little butterflies on them, and I just like that because it's a butterfly themed look and I've got butterfly eyelashes. But yeah, I'm just waving them around, trying to get the glue to dry so that I can put it on my eye. That rhymed. As you can see, I'm obviously not a pro at putting on eyelashes. I've only been doing it for about a year, so I'm still very much learning how to do it and how to make it look like it's actually my eyelashes. But yeah, please don't hate on me for that. Wow, I really do like turning my head side to side. Like, what is that about? I think I'm doing it like 100 times in this video. But yeah, enough of me talking. Here's the rest of the video. So now that you've seen my attempt at this butterfly look, I hope maybe that you go and try and do it yourself and send me your pictures. I'd like to see if you try it and how it turned out. But before I go, I'd like to say thank you, and I am saying thank you to everyone who complimented me recently on my makeup looks and the face paint that I've been doing, because it's really given me the confidence to sit down and film this video today. So thank you, and yeah, you're the inspiration and why I'm starting this channel. So yeah, thank you. Tune in, see what else I do. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and subscribe, share, like. Yeah. Bye. Ooh, she pretty. Okay, I'm done now. Bye.